So one of the things I wanted to do to this bug when we first bought it was I wanted to put a retro sliding rag top in it. Two ways to do that. One is to harvest one out of an old bug or buy a kit online from a company that makes them. And so I bought the kit online. They did give a template. We had to modify the template to make it fit right. Cut it out with a jigsaw. It worked out very well. With the body work and everything, it'll look like a factory job. To install the sliding rag top, we had to line up the securing holes in the back bow that doesn't move. We had to drill about 6 to 8 holes and attach the screws to hold the back bow on. It becomes kind of a problem because there's no set measurement. So when you do the fabric install, you've got to literally stretch it over the 2 bows and make sure that it's taut enough that it looks like a professional installation. In the instruction pamphlet, it says you might want to be left to a professional, and I tend to agree with that. I struggled with that for 4 hours to get that fabric taut enough so that it looks like a professional installation, and I think I did a good job. But for the average Joe, that is a real problematic area, is stretching the fabric and getting it to stay over the bows.